Hello everyone, this is a question series on sinusoidal steady state analysis. Let's continue the problem. At a very high frequency, the peak output voltage V0 is. Given the circuit, it is given that at very high frequency. Okay, that means at a very high frequency all the capacitors become short circuited. How? That is, we know that for a capacitor, the reactance is equal to 1 by j omega c. When the frequency is very high, that is omega is very high, then Xc become very low. That is approximately Xc become equal to 0. Therefore, all the capacitor become short circuited because Xc is 0. Now, in this figure, we can see that the resistors 1K and 1K resistor, these two resistors are in parallel. Similarly, these two resistors are in parallel. So we can take the parallel combination, that is 1K and 1K in parallel. So we get half K, that is first resistor become half K and the second resistor become half K. Okay, this is the combination. And we have to find the output voltage across these two terminals. Okay, now the voltage here across this is one angle 0. So these two are equal resistors. So the output voltage V0 will be equal to half of this voltage, that is half angle 0. Okay. So the output voltage V0 is half angle 0 and the peak value is half, that is 0.5. Peak value equal to half, that is 0.5.